Alright, what is going on, everyone? First and foremost, I want to say thank you for being here right now, watching this video. I do really appreciate for your time, and I'd really appreciate if you do consider subscribing, because it truly does help me out a lot. Now, we got the Young Thug court case, man. Basically, someone came on the stand, a witness, and he basically didn't say much. I don't know, man, but I'm gonna play the video. But all I'm seeing is, I had to check this out. I had to check it out. Clips been going viral of him basically saying he's high, he's about to go to sleep, like he's trying to get off of that stand, bro. And this whole Young Thug court case is, very, very messy, very, very messy, man. And y'all think Young Thug is getting out anytime soon? Let me know, man, if he's getting released anytime soon, or y'all think he's getting released anytime soon. Me personally, bro, I don't know. It looks like they dug him deep into all of this, but yeah, man, without further ado, let's just play the video and see what it's talking about.
Did you just hear us talking about this incident of the car careening into the side of the laundromat?
How you saying play something? I don't remember though.
And did you hear you explain that the case involving Mr. Dotson was totally dismissed?
I don't recall, sir.
And for you, the case involving the armed robbery or attempted armed robbery or the aggravated assault on Mr. Dotson was dismissed. You pled guilty under Alford to aggravated assault on the 3 police officers and fleeing and attempting to elude. True?
I don't remember.
And then I asked you, was Jeffrey Williams, performer known as Young Thug, involved in any way, directly or indirectly?
I'm not gonna lie, simply because he has a mask on, you can't see his full face expression. You can only see his eyes and the way he's sitting back and things like that. He obviously doesn't want to be there, bro. He's trying to get off of that stand, man. But I don't know what they're trying to ask him. He clearly doesn't want to answer, but I guess they forced him to be there and whatnot. But let's keep going.
Directly with the events involving Mr. Dotson on September 11, 2013. And you said he was not involved in any way. Did you hear that?
I don't recall, sir.
And then you explained, you just heard that you explained that you qualified it as the detectives and police. And I asked you the authorities, the police, the prosecutors, I just made it broad, that they forced Jeffrey Williams into it. Did you hear you say that?
Man, can I get a water or something? I'm so high right now, y'all. I'm about to go to sleep on y'all ass. I ain't gonna tell you no lie.
Yes, you may. We're going to take a break soon. Hang in there.
I'm not gonna lie, it's so weird to me. If he admits to being high, literally admits to being high in front of everybody, why don't they get him off this stand? You get what I mean? You're just plainly gonna admit it and they're just gonna act like it's nothing. It's kind of weird, bro. He clearly doesn't have a clear mindset enough to, answer these questions that you're asking him. So it's if he admits to being high, bro, you got to get him off that stand. Or it's just like people are allowed to, be high when in a courtroom all of a sudden. What's going on, bro? This case is dirty and messy, man, is what I'm seeing. But let's keep going.
You need a moment?
Keep the ball rolling.
Okay. Mr. Coco, if you could just show me where you stopped again, remind me. 349.97, you're on a play further right from there. All right.
When your wife was speaking, and at some point around the 11-minute research.
And can you tell us what that meant?
That they was really telling us to like, hey, put Doug in on this right here. You know what I mean? If you don't put him on that, you could be facing a lot of time and all type of shit like that. You know what I mean?
And who is they again? I know.
To the point.
Okay. And the other prosecutors and police?
It was just really just him. And, like, it was just really him I had made death with.
Okay.
And there was a few more officers that were just around, you know what I'm saying? We was in the hospital.
You're in the what?
I was in the hospital, you know what I mean? When shit happened. So it's like they pushed in, and I was at home. I'm the people. I don't know what's going on. So
You're in the hospital because
accident.
Right.
And that stopped at 4:39:97. Did you hear me ask you about the jail recording that's now marked as Mr. Williams number 205 around the 11-minute mark, me playing it for you earlier in Mr. Investigator Martin's car, and then ask you about it, about they gave us a story to tell. Did you hear that?
I don't remember.
And your response was that you were going to be in a lot of trouble, that the police wanted Jeffrey Williams in it, and that conversation occurred on September 11, 2013 at the hospital.
When the witness does not recall, the jury has recording, they can hear it, and I would object to Mr. Steele's narrated version.
I stand the question. He can't remember it, so.
Mr. Kokomo, where did we stop? It's 1:39:97. If you could continue.
In your car, they said
We crashed.
yeah, careened over a police car into the side of the building.
Right.
You were driving the car.
I was the driver. And he said, trying to say he the driver.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
The police wanted you to say you. That's what you did.
YoungThug was not in the vehicle with us.
Did he have anything to do with it?
They had nothing to do.
It stopped at 5:03:30, Your Honor. Do you remember saying that? Do you remember hearing just now that it was Detective Quinn? Did you hear that?
How you playing? I don't recall, sir.
Well, I was meeting with you in January 2023.
Bro, whoever's the guy asking him these questions just looks like an absolute clown, bro. Like, he does not remember, bro. And the crazy thing is, people actually believe him, bro. You get what I mean? They believe that he doesn't remember, bro, simply because he's high, bro. It looks like he's about to go to sleep. Like, bro, he's not fully conscious, bro. Like, let's be real, he's high. He doesn't remember, bro. Like, even if, and let's be honest, even if he does remember, he doesn't want to remember it right now. You get what I mean? He doesn't want to be there on stand. So, what's going on, bro?
I sustain the objection.
We were meeting on January 22, 2023 at the Kroger. You remember that?
I don't remember, sir.
And January 22, 2023 is approximately 9 years and 4 months from September 11, 2013. Is that an accurate calendar?
No, sir.
Do you remember any other detectives' names or police officers' names or prosecutors' names, anything from this event in September 2013, besides Detective Quinn?
No, sir.
Objection as to the form, he does not even say that he recalls
I
Detective
sustain
Quinn.
the question.
It's on the recording.
I sustain the question, Mr. Steele.
All right, and then did you hear you saying again, Jeffrey Williams had nothing, or whatever you call him, YoungThug, had nothing to do with this horrible incident? Did you hear that?
I heard it, but I still don't recall, sir.
All right, let's continue, Mr. Kokomo. It's at 5:03:30, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
With none of that. Ain't no man, I'm 42 years old, can't no another man tell me what to do. Can't no other man make no another man tell no another man what they need. Everybody wrong.
So why did you tell the police obviously it's on recording that Jeffrey Williams was involved in this armed robbery because the police told you to say that so you get out of trouble. Is that the reason?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you're also on another jail call, the one I'm going to send you.
Yeah, that's the one I want to use.
I'm going to send it to you. But for what you say, the reason that you would have a jail call with your wife and a friend of yours or whoever, you're going to tell us, that's because the same reason. It's just the police gave you something that the story tell you is going to say to everybody. Yeah. Okay. All right. We're going to shut the recording. It's what you told us the truth because it's all I've ever asked you for.
That's it.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything, threaten you?
No, nobody promised me that.
And Jimmy and I did the story. Investigator Martin and I been straight with you the whole way. Is that true? Right. And Investigator Charles missed out.
I've been working hard trying to catch up with them. I work hard too. I'm not just not working 2 jobs, so I'm a world working day and night. So
We appreciate you.
certified flagger, certified supervisor. You know what I mean? And I was doing dishwasher at night, so you know what I mean. I'm real whoop to be going in 23 to be. Do anything that got something to do with court law or anything like that. I'm real whoop for that.
And just if it's going to come up, you did go to prison for 3 years, got 10 to do 3.
Right.
But I know what you explained, but just explain again what truly happened. I know you took over.
I don't even know.
It's at 6:46:52. Stop. 62. Stop. Sir, did you hear? I'm recording Mr. Williams number 197 discussion, and you explaining and agreeing that you included Jeffrey Williams in your crime to get out of trouble.
I don't remember, sir.
But yeah, man, that is the end of the whole thing, the whole video and whatnot. And I'm pretty sure they brung him right off stand after that. He was saying he didn't know, he don't remember the whole entire time. He obviously clearly didn't want to be there, bro. He got so high before this, like he's trying to forget everything, like, and I'm pretty sure nobody's taking him seriously. Literally nobody. If he says he don't remember, bro, people are gonna believe him, bro. If he says he's high, bro, he clearly doesn't have a clear mindset to remember these things. You get what I mean? Bro is about to fall asleep, everything. He's asking for water, like, bro. Man, whoever brung him on stand, the guy asking him questions, because he's a witness, right? But at the end of the day, bro, you're a clown for this, my guy. Like, man, this is tough. And this whole court case overall, it's messy, man. And people already know that, but y'all think Young Thug is getting out anytime soon? Let me know, man. But looks like they got him deep into this whole situation. They got, I don't know what they got on him, but, it's clearly enough to keep him in that courtroom and keep him locked up for, a hefty amount of time. But he's obviously fighting a RICO right now. But without further ado, gonna end the video right here. I do appreciate you for your time. If you made it to the end, and subscribe for more content, man. Peace out.